good morning, good morning. It is vlog day 4. I have my cafecito, and Tyler has full school today, so full day of classes. So it's gonna be really interesting, and cannot wait to start that with him. I'm gonna try to record, but I probably won't record it. My hair looking like a hot mess. This is my life. It's the best life you'll ever have. So he wants to say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Making a video for the vlog.
Vlog?
Yeah.
How dark?
Vlog. Alright. She gave you all a high five. We're probably not gonna go outside today because it's cloudy, it looks rainy, and it's freezing. Like, I'll give you a little sneak peek of the sky today. It is not a clear sky. The deck is a little bit wet. So yeah, so hopefully I hope everybody has a great day, and I will chat with everyone later. Are you ready for your first day of school?
This is not my first day from school. I did it yesterday.
You took a test yesterday. It's your first day in this class.
Oh.
Well, someone's ready, and I'm gonna have some learning time.
Okay.
Today you have English, math, and social studies.
I'm done.
So yeah, my hair looks way worse.
This chair.
Way worse than what I thought it did. But yeah, so that is, it's gonna start in 27 seconds. There's a countdown. A countdown to school starting. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. School! Woo! Alright, say bye. We're going to start class. Alright, since it's sweater weather, you know what time it is? It is hair straightening time. Look at my hair. It's like cloudy right now, so it's a bad idea to come outside because I got natural curly hair. But guys, look at my hair. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Hold on. Look at the shine. Look at the shine. The hair length. Like, guys, come on. Monet, Monet. Guys, I'm loving my hair. It is so thick and way healthier than it's ever been before. Like, guys, you have no idea. You have no idea. Absolutely no idea how amazing. Like, look at this. Ah! Amazing. Your school supplies came in. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open the box like this. What's inside? All this learning materials. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All these books. These are your science projects. Oh my gosh. Paint supplies. Oh my god, they give you everything. This is the whole list. What stuff they send you. Oh my god, we don't have to get anything. They send you everything, Papa. Yeah. Even sticky notes.
Oh, a new headset.
A new headset. They even sent you a headset? Oh my goodness.
They think it's my birthday.
No, they said this to everybody.
No, please no.
This is how I'm going to organize his school supplies until I can, like, I don't know, organize it better. But for right now, everything's just gonna go right here. I duct tape, please, but I'm gonna get
Mom,
what's it called, the little plastic thing, the zip ties. But yeah. All right guys, so total mom feel today. I took out chicken last night and I left it in the sink, forgot to put it back in the freezer. I checked at like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock today. The chicken was bad. So I ordered Domino's. And they gave me a free pizza. I don't know if is it their program or they know that I order from them too much than I should. But like, am I the only one this happens to? Like, I can't be the only one. Please let me. Thanks to everyone who's been watching my videos. I will keep on vlogging, but I wanted to end this video because I realized my other 2 vlogs I didn't put an ending video. Like, I didn't speak, I just ended it. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I will chat with everyone tomorrow. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at Chrissy7, and I post a lot there too. And I will hopefully post something for tomorrow. So see everyone later. Have a good day, afternoon, evening, whichever time you're watching. And please, 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 please stay safe out there. Bye.